So my son made a mess on the carpet with tomato sauce, and I did not have the whole day to sit back and soak this stain in bleach. So I came across a product called Dr. Beck Stain Carpet Remover, and I wanted to try this out because it was promising. Anyway, so I like the packaging of the bottle as well. It looks good. It comes with a brush attached to it, which is easy to use. You don't need a bucket or any of that when you want to use this product. In order for me to save some product and not waste while I'm using it, I'm just going to make a small incision on the bottle. I'm not going to unseal it completely, but I'll just put a small incision using a toothpick, and then I'll just go in and pour some of the liquids on the stain. This is just to allow it to marinate, for the products to do its magic. And I'll just leave that for like a minute or so. And when I came back to brush, guys, it was magic. Just within a minute or so, the stain was gone. And yeah, I didn't spend like 2 hours or 3 hours on this, and I really like it. Guys, tell me what you think about this product. Do you like it? Would you try it? But for me, I really do recommend, honestly. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.